Want to trade like a quant without having to understand highly complex proprietary software? Real-time fintech doesn't have to be rocket science. This streaming table has stock trade data for 13 different symbols, all updating in real time. What if I want to perform aggregations on it, or join tables together? It sounds complex, especially if I have to learn proprietary software to do it. Except I don't. I can use Python, and everything I just mentioned can be accomplished in less than 10 lines of code. Here, I perform a simple multiplication. Then, after that, I bin trades in a minute buckets and perform an aggregated sum for each symbol in each time bucket. Each operation is programmatically intuitive despite being very conceptually different. And it happens in real time. These calculations work on static and dynamic data all the same. Don't buy into the idea that real-time data processing has to be complex. It can be, but with Deephaven, it becomes much, much easier.